Principal Sir, the Registrar, esteemed faculty, and dear freshers, I welcome you warmly to the SSM family.
We all have gathered here today to be a part of Students' Induction Program for MSc Physics students for the year 2021. With us, we have Dr. Sajjad Hussain Deen, Principal SSM College of Engineering, Dr. Anish Shah, Registrar SSM College of Engineering, Engineer S.S. Rufai, Principal Polytechnic SSM College of Engineering, Mr. Adil Nakash, Administrative Officer SSM College of Engineering, Mrs. Yasmin Vikar, Director IQAC and Vice Principal SSM College of Engineering. We also have our worthy HODs, Mrs. Shabina Masoodi, HOD Department of Civil Engineering, Mrs. Yasmin Vikar, HOD CSE Department, Engineer Naeem, HOD Department of Mechanical Engineering, Engineer Manzoor Ahmad, Department of ANC, Mrs. Akbar from the Department of Electrical Engineering, Mr. Irfan Rashid from MCA Department. A round of applause. We'll also be having Ms. Haya Qazi, the faculty from Civil Engineering, who will be with us shortly. I would first like to request Dr. Syed Irfan to play the and I'd also like to welcome Iqbal sir, who was not here when I said their name. Now I would again like to request Irfan sir to play the college alumni video on the screen. Of former various government polytechnic colleges of J&K and is currently with us as the principal of Polytechnic SSM College. Sir is also the registrar of JK Board of Technical Education and he is also an author of one of the books, namely Rural Development in India. Sir, I now request you to come on the stage with a round of applause.
Dr. Sajjad Saab, Principal, respected Professor Dr. Anish Shah Saab, worthy Registrar and my mentor, Janab Chief Administrative Officer Naqai Saab, HODs, Haya Qazi, she's just like my daughter. I was saying over here that last year 25 institutes were selected for NAAC accreditation, and out of 25 institutions, only one institution was given A. Rest of the institutions were given either B or C, but our institution was given B+. So we stood second for the country.
He has remained the Joint Secretary for JK Board of School Education and Director Business School, Islamia College Campus. He is also an author of the book Child Labor in India, which is used as a reference book in the University of California. So I request you to come on this stage. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. You have just now heard about the college, and I will restrict myself only up to the welcome address. And this, of course, was very important information in the history which we have gained during 3 decades of the history of this college. They have, successfully completed their IRS, Indian Revenue Services. Some of them are IPS, some of them are KS, some of them are professors, some of them are leading lawyers. So I expect that by joining this institution, you will definitely. In a week there are 168 hours, correct me if I'm wrong, and some around say 70 hours will be for sleep, and then there are some around 100 hours in a week that you can utilize for your studies. But always remember that well begun is half done. This is apt for not only
Respected Principal Sir, the Registrar, esteemed faculty, and dear freshers, I welcome you warmly to the SSM family. About myself, although I'm not an alumni of this college, but I've been trained and taught by the teachers here. Shabina ma'am, Shafqat sir, and especially Yasmin ma'am has helped me with my C program. So I'd like to conclude by saying, life is not about the destination, but it is the journey that matters. Trust me, your time at SSM will be one which you are going to cherish throughout your life. Be it friends, faculty, academic competitions, or cultural programs, your interactions here are going to develop you holistically, and these interactions are going to equip you with all the right skill sets that you need. With great pride, I would like to share that our students are excelling in various fields, as you have already seen, be it engineering, civil service, research and development, teaching, or even job creators. SSM students are excelling in each and every field. I feel it is because of the environment in SSM, because we here instill scientific temper and the spirit of inquiry in our students. And I guarantee you that our faculty will leave no stone unturned to help you in your growth trajectory. Apart from academics, our college organizes sports competitions and cultural programs annually. We highly encourage our students to strive for an all-round development, as these qualities are very essential for you to help and face the challenges out there. I, on behalf of the entire college, would like to take a commitment from all of you that you will maintain a very harmonious and respectful environment in the college. Because as we all know, the aim of education is to uplift others and spread the light. And I hope, inshallah, 20 to 30 years from now on, you will come back to this college and not only reflect on your professional achievements, but also the work that you have done to uplift the needy and reduce the inequalities in the society. Also, in conclusion, I would like to say, find your purpose and make the purpose of your life a life full of purpose. Thank you.
In charge Department of Physics, would like to thank Dr. Sajaduddin Saab, our birthday principal, Dr. Anisha, Registrar Saab of this college, the Principal Polytechnic S.C. Rufai Saab, and the Chief Administrative Officer Adil Nakai Saab. I would also like to thank the HODs of the various engineering branches And at last, I would like to thank all the members who have put their effort to make this event very successful. Thank you all.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Intizar Hussain. I am from Baramla, and today I joined this institute for PG course. As per the realization and observation, I found that this institution is really good and it would be a great journey when we complete MSc Physics from here. And the entire staff was very supportive, and we are expecting that it will be very remembered in the upcoming days. Thanks.